how to network if you are an introvert. So so people that I would, if you ask people about me, they would not describe me as an introvert, but I am. I don't like to just go out and like meet new people. I just don't, it's not my thing. I'm not down with it. I'm zero, okay? But here's what I do, and it works very, very well. Join a group, go to a place, and you don't have to go out there and be super out there, outgoing. Post up, hang out, make eye contact with people, smile at them, and let the other outgoing people come to you and be talkative. You do have to be able to talk to people. You have to be curious about people. You have to be interested in people. If you do that, you will make friends. The outgoing people will introduce you to everybody else. That's how I operate. It works. Do it.